Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly we have to find and open our phone dialer, so let's do it, and since you're on the keypad you have to tap on the contacts. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit, and in my case it will be this one. All you have to do right now is simply tap on this edit icon and tap on the camera icon at the very top. And as you can see here, we've got actually 3 different options which we can choose. Firstly, we can set some avatars which are defaultly installed on this device. By tapping on this plus icon you can enter much more options, but I don't want to choose anything from that, so let me get back and tap on it again. And here we've got two another options. After tapping on the camera, your device will obviously open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, so you will be able to take a photo of him or she, of her. And here we've got the gallery, so obviously we will be transferred to our photos which we've previously took or downloaded. So just give all the permissions you need and tap on allow. And here just choose the photo you'd like to use. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size and the position of this square and the circle. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to. And if you're happy with the result, just tap on done here. As you can see, it immediately appears right here. So just remember to tap on save here. Not now, and as you can see, it is visible on the contact and also here on the contact list. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.